Here we go then, first flight. Good luck. Okay. Gave it some right rudder there. Wasn't a lot of effect, but it's hardly a fair test. Let's try that again. Yeah, elevator is nice and powerful, but the rudder, and he's tightening up that, the rudder is largely ineffectual. Okay, let's try it again. Which is what I thought it might be actually, because it's quite a lot. It's probably just a lack of air over it, I hope. Let's give it a bit of a heavier punt. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if you saw that, I was looking downhill a bit, but that flew okay. So I think I'm going to go over the field and we'll see what's going on. That will definitely want tightening up. It's alright for now though. Alright, let's try it on the slope. The slope's over there, and it's really more for coming from the sun direction. I'll certainly have a decent glide top to bottom anyway, so it's a long way down though. It's only sheep in the field as well, which I like. Right, so that was successful test glides. It seems to respond to the controls okay, so we'll go over to the slope. Hopefully we'll get a bit of lift and really give it some air. See you over there. Okay, here we go. Right, we've done test glides. Everything seemed to check out, so let's go for it. The real McCoy, here we are. Oh yeah, got to punch out a bit. Oh, punch out. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure what I did actually. Let's get closer to the slope. I know it's lightly loaded. Let's do it again. Oh, look at that. What's the odds of getting it in the only bit of sheep poo in the whole field? Well, not the whole bit, but that's christening. Okay, let's try that again. Balloons, I've ballooned it up. That full right rudder. Full left rudder. I won't be turning downwind anytime soon. Full right rudder, punching down. Okay, the elevator is beautifully sensitive. The rudder does need work. I'm not sure what I can do to improve that, to be honest. I've got full deflection. That's hands off. Oh, put a balloon in there. Let's turn that stall into full right rudder. Oh. I'm going to have to fly through the sun here. Oh, full left rudder. Full right rudder. Oh! Just needs a bigger rudder, I guess. Right, here we go again. Wind's dying. It's only a couple of miles an hour now. Right, it's going down. I'd call that a successful test flight, but it does need a little bit of modification there, doesn't it? It will definitely need something. Oh, look at that. I wonder when I did that cartwheel. Fixable though, not a problem. There you go, Ian. You said how strong are the wingtips. I was saying how marvellously strong they were. Does that include cartwheeling though? No.